cheers, Mike.
Cheers, brother.
I gotta say, that was a fun morning there.
Yeah, I love this thing.
Yeah.
I love that 14, but I love this one a little bit more.
So, when we talk about how we got there, it all really kind of started with the 85 Capri.
Yeah.
And in a relatively short time progressed to a 2020 GT500. That's not generally a quick thing to come around, and it's certainly not the way you did it.
No.
So why don't you tell us a little bit how we got there?
I wasn't expecting this. I really wasn't. Sold a Capri just cause, really, bottom line is I wanted somebody else to enjoy it. Plus, I got a good price on it. I mean, everything's for sale. And so I sold it. Bought the GT500, the 14 model with the engine issue. Y'all, if you watch the channel, you know what happened to it.
Got that for a pretty good deal because of the issue, and addressed the issue. And then after you had the car for a while.
Yeah, the color, the stripes. I love the white. I thought about removing the blue stripes, but then he had the blue stripes in the seats, and it just went on. And I don't want to destroy the value of the car because it's almost shown condition car. And so I started looking at the 2020s just one day, just seeing what they were going for.
Right.
Well, so happened Jim Ellis had one that the color combo you can't go wrong with.
That's right.
I love this color combo.
Jim Ellis at Sandy Springs.
Yeah, and they didn't have any markup,
which is unusual.
Very unusual. It's already got PPF on the front, and it already had the windows tinted. That was the only price that was added to it on top of the list price of the car, and so they gave me a good deal on that 2014, and I said, I'm stupid not to buy the car. I mean, I'm at a good point in my life where I can afford it, and so I did it. And yeah, I'm going to keep this car for a long time.
Yeah. So this one isn't particularly for sale right now.
No. But this one I'll keep. Yeah. The blue one, let's talk. But yeah, I love my cars, and I think I did a damn good deal, and I'm very pleased.
I think you did very well with it.
And so hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Right. And we're going to do episodes on this too, of course, because it's a car in the stable.
Yeah.
We're not really modifiers.
No.
We're more just about enjoying the experiences with it, and doing events per se, and just having fun with the cars. And with this kind of car too, when you do modifications, you actually devalue the car a little bit.
I don't want to
in some people's eyes, and frankly, the car is perfect the way it is.
Yeah, I don't want to change.
It's got more performance.
What is there to change?
Yeah, I can't think of anything.
I mean, other than maybe the wheels, just to preserve these for down the road.
Right.
But I mean, other than that, I'm not changing a thing.
No, I mean, it's got plenty of performance.
Floor mats. Does that turn you guys on? Do y'all want to watch some floor mats?
There's a good mod. That could be your first mod.
The first mod, floor mats, man. But yeah, I don't want to change it.
No, just enjoy it. But if you guys have any suggestions as to stuff that you'd like to see for coverage on the car, by all means, let us know on Facebook or the actual video in the comment section. We enjoy the feedback, and we read all the comments. So
we try.
Yeah, if you have anything that you'd like to see with it, absolutely tell us.
Yep.
And we hope you enjoy the content. So this is a fun video to make.
Yes,
we got the collection day, and obviously we've spread the filming out over a period of time because Mother Nature doesn't always cooperate. And, frankly, our schedules don't always cooperate. So yeah, we'll see what we can do.
Haven't made the first payment yet. Hadn't hurt yet, but it will.
Oh yeah. But every
smile.
time you take it out for a run, it makes that hurt feel a little bit better, doesn't it?
It'll be fine.
Yeah, it's a sweet ride. So, anyways, cheers.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers, junior GHG guy.
Yeah, thanks for
manning
the camera in the back.
Thanks for all you do.
Yeah, so, exactly. If you like the video, like the car, give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, please like,
subscribe,
and share.
Exactly.
And don't forget that little bell.
Little bell.
I know none of you ever do it. I think we've had one person sign up.
Yeah, I think so, but it's okay. Who cares? We're just
And
having
you know
fun.
who you are. Thank you.
Appreciate you, brother.
Yeah.
Great hair,
Awesome.
Question, are those 20-inch wheels?
Yep.
Oh, they look 19-ish. Well, I thought it would be a little
may make the cut.
slimmer.
Now, I'm gonna, when was the last time you had a good spanking?
What? They just...
I don't even understand where that's coming from. I don't get it.
That's like telling a guy he's got a small willy.
Yeah, that'll
That's
probably
funny.
make the cut.
Yeah. Well, those 20s look awfully small.
Yeah, they're like 15s.
Yeah.
The rotors are only 16 inches.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. Kid.